What employee said their last played song on Spotify was Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat?
Lily.
I don't know who that is.
Lily.
Yeah.
Let's go with Lily.
Okay. What is your last played song on Spotify?
The last played song I listened to on Spotify was Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat.
Who said their most obsessed show right now on Netflix is You?
What's that? Can we come back to that one?
Tegan.
Yep.
No.
What show are you currently obsessed with?
You.
What employee said in a zombie apocalypse, the 3 people they would choose to be on their team said it would be Hollis Harper, Kyler, and Trisha?
Gary.
What 3 people would you take in the zombie apocalypse?
Ooh, I would have to say Hollis Harper, Trisha Kennedy because she can cook, and probably Kyler.
These questions aren't very hard.
I didn't know who Doja Cat was.
Jojo.
All right, what employee said their hidden talent was they can unicycle and juggle at the same time?
Lily.
Nathan.
There you go.
What's your hidden talent?
I can juggle and ride a unicycle.
All right, good job, you guys.